Most welcome to MATLAB Latex software channel. Friends, hopefully you are doing well and today we will discuss about configuring the build system. TeXstudio provides general commands for translating LaTeX. The default settings use pdflatex and the internal PDF viewer. Other commands and viewer can be selected as well as a different bibliography translator. The embedded PDF viewer does not open a new window for viewing the PDF document but presents it directly next to the next text in the editor. A useful alternative might be using the latexmk as a compile command if the command is installed on your system, as it handles dependencies with biblatex and index very well. The advanced options allow finer customization, which is in general not necessary. User commands can be defined here by adding them. Each user command has a name with a pattern. User user of brackets. User command brackets say the command ID has to be unique and must not contain spaces. In advanced mode, you can preference in using text triple backslash inverted comma. The display name will be shown in the tools menu. The user commands can be activated either by shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus F percentage of N, or by tools menu, tools or and user. User commands can either consist of a combination of known commands by selecting them from a list of available commands. This is triggered by clicking the spanner symbol. Alternatively, a command can be directly selected through the file system. Friends, now we will go to the TeXstudio and practical it. Go to option menu, configure in TeXstudio. Go to build. Here is a build and view is compile. You can also change it in others. And here is the default compiler is pdflatex, latex, xlatex, latex, and latexmk. We have all discussed it. Here is a default viewer, pdf viewer, db viewer, and ps viewer. Here is a pdf viewer, is also internal pdf viewer, internal pdf viewer, embedded and window, and external pdf viewer. Here is the default bibliography tools is bibtex or bibtex 8-bit, and you can also add here new commands by add option, and we will search here, configure. Here is commands as you wish, what you want to add here. I want to add here is 8-bit. Just select it and add it. I want to another is text ending. Just add it, and you can also up and down. I want to delete text ending is here is select it and delete it, and I want to both deletes are and cancel here as you wish. friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Have a good day.